All right, so here we are at the stream here on the Fox River Trail, and I was thinking about going down under this bridge because it's kind of a cool area for fishing. It's pretty shallow, but fish will hide out in that along that wall and that because they like that little slow area. Possible that you might even get a bite right now. They definitely don't want you going on that side though, even though you could kind of walk down to those rocks, but they fix that up a little, and then you have to, but that's kind of a bad angle to fish that edge of that wall there. But what you normally have to do is walk down this. Try to get some foothold. It's kind of tricky though. So we've got a tree here we can hang on to, but we don't have any handholds until we get to that little tree right there. We use these roots. Kind of walk down here sideways. Going up is a lot easier because you don't have that momentum of going down, pushing you down, trying to make you fall. So here's the spot. So we could possibly do some fishing streams here. This is a nice little section of the stream that connects with the Fox River. This used to be a really good fishing spot, even for some bigger bass. I can't remember if I ever got a walleye in here, but you definitely get smallies and white bass because I think they use this as a spawning stream because it's not really far from the river. They swim up here and spawn, and then the bigger fish end up going back to the river. You can usually see the fish in the water because it's got like a sandy bottom right here. I'm not seeing anything, but in that darker area along here, that's a good area. It's too bad we can't walk this side and get across. It's pretty shallow, but I don't have shoes that I can walk across the stream with without getting them soaked. But this could be a potential spot that we might try and get a fishing stream in down here.